Guys, so this is the makeup tutorial for today. As you can see, it is extremely colorful, it's extremely bold, very dramatic, very drag queen-esque, huge lashes, pale pink lips. Okay. So on my lips, I'm wearing Saint Germain by MAC, and I'm also wearing to line my lips the same pencil I use to do my brows, which is a brown pencil from Air Woman, and it's just in the number, I don't know, it says number 15, I don't know. And then around my lips again, I'm wearing It's Your Face Cosmetics Ultimate Lip Liner, and the color is in Vex. It's like this burgundy brown. So I'm wearing that, and I was going to do some bottom lashes, but I didn't. And for today, I use my I use my BH Hollywood California makeup palette, and it's just gorgeous. I mean, this camera is doing it no justice. The colors are vibrant, they're bold. I use the purple and the blue from here. And did I use the blush? No, I didn't use a blush. I used a blush from another palette, but it also has like a little blush area thingy there. I love this palette. I love it. When I started, I was like, no, I have to do a look. And for my blush, I'm wearing my blush from my 26 color palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm just wearing this blush down here, this one right here, that one. Yeah, so that's basically it for this intro. Really hope you guys like it, and again, if you do recreate this look on Instagram, don't forget to tag use the hashtag Rochester so I can actually see looks. And yes, I did teach you how to tie this head wrap. This is just like an old top that I had, and I just kind of like cut it up the middle. So say it's a top like this, I just cut it like down the middle, and then I use it to just wrap my head basically. So that's all I did. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. Thank you so much again, you guys, for your support. I want to say hello, hi bubbles, to my new subscribers, because I know y'all is new over there. I know y'all is new. So yeah, thank you for your support again, you guys, and please enjoy the video.
Some people are going like a track and feel. Oh, them fast up. Yeah, but leave people business alone. I mind for your own. Leave people business alone. Leave people business, I mind for your own. Leave people business alone. You are walking a chat like a selector on a song. Leave people business alone. And mind for your own. Leave people business alone. You are carry go bring come like you are merry-go-round them fast. Yeah, police are gonna stop them. Them are gonna get a fat ticket from the camp them. You know when me get me check and when me cash them, to them fast. Me have to wonder if I flash them. See I'm blind here and if you're smart. And you me have a question for you. So come you know about so for your mark. You there at Jamaica and the two people in there New York. Leave people business alone. Leave people business a mind for your own. Leave people business alone. You are walking a chat like a selector on a song. Leave people business alone. And mind for your own. Leave people business alone. You are carry the wind come like you are merry-go-round. By the time you say on your mark, them see everything like them can see in the dark. Them shot too much diesel, I go put a clock over them out, and we a go put them in a park. Them a trooper with him like a shark. Them make you see boat look like him a walk. Them no one know what doing I'm ark. Guarantee you a go use some of the business if you catch them a talk. Leave people business alone. Leave people business a mind for your own. Leave people business alone. You are walking a chat like a selector on a song. Leave people business alone. And mind for your own. Leave people business alone. You are. Hey, no, I'm a say on the world, you say man of a prison. So I want you alone the bridge. Jesus Christ. All of the people them will besiege. Each and every one. Understand when me a teach. Yeah, me know. Me and the Lord go way back like a tape recorder. At the age of me name and Jesus and my father. And him feed me and make me fat and me no maga. And he make me life so easy and it coulda harder. So anywhere me go, me big up for me Jaja. And him a give me strength like me phone pan a charger. I know me nah go left and go over the border. Cause closer to me is the Lord more than my brother. They say seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eyes. Seek the Most High and keep him close by. And me say seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eyes. You need the Most High. Don't try. Any man deny the God, me no say him no sober. And Jesus Christ, me say I represent Jehovah. And nobody can make me come off of the road. And me have the Lord in me heart and that me prouder. So turn up for me mic and make me chat it louder. And for me Lord Jesus Christ, me is a soldier. Pan Calvary cross, then drive nail through him and make him blood run like when you pull a soda. Me say seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eyes. Seek the Most High and keep him close by. And me say seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eyes. You need the Most High. Don't leave and don't try. Don't try, you're gonna die. So seek the Most High and keep him close by. Don't leave and don't try. And I said the word you say, man, if you praise the Most High, Jesus Christ, you know. So take this opportunity for accept him in your life, you know. Yeah, what I tell them, say, people, hear me now. Say, seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eyes. Seek the Most High and keep him close by. And me say, seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eyes. You need the Most High. Don't leave and don't try. Me say, seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eyes. Seek the Most High and keep him close by. And me say, seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eyes. You need the Most High. Major Laser, don't know the age in the place. I'm still not change unless some money are close. Listen, I can tell them something. Come with him, we change. Boy, how we money, how we close. Now bleach your face and we now bow we nose. Now go show off, can we dip on a couple shows. And we dip on a post and we stand up and we oppose. We change, boy, we money, how we close. Now bleach your face and we now bow we nose. Now drop we standard, me now walk with from God. You must say they're mad, because check me now. Me now change and me now go evolve. On this axis I'll always revolve. Anything me I do, me make sure God is involved. So me now fear worry, me problem we solve. Hey, coming like some brother brain a dissolve. Them have a simple problem and they can't resolve. Cause he coming like say them sick in a them head. Them a try the whole a made and them head have a valve. But we don't go change, we money and we close. Now bleach we face and we now bow we nose. Now go show off cause we dip on a couple shows. Dip on a couple posters stand up and we oppose. We change, more we money and we close. Now bleach we face and we now bow we nose. Now drop we standard, we now walk we from God. They must say they're mad, Jaja check it. Hey, show me your direction. When me reach up at the intersection, because based on my imperfection, me a go need you to make my correction. Because me don't want lose the connection. Jah you show me love and affection. You want me guidance and my protection. I wanna be a true reflection. Can't tell them say, I believe that the Most High die, and I believe in all your resurrection. And me know say you not go segregate yourself from me regardless of me complexion, or regardless of the time when me never have a dime to throw in the collection. Please, and you don't eat, you all love me straight. I can say that I'm a blessed man. So me change, oh, me money and me clothes. Now bleach me face and me now bow me nose. Now go show off cause me dip on a couple shows. Dip on a couple posters stand up and me a pose. Me change. Me money and me clothes. Nah bleach me face and me nah bow me nose. Nah drop me standard, me nah walk away from God. You must say they are mad, because me tell them say me nah change and me nah go evolve. On this axis I'll always revolve. Anything me I do, me make sure God is involved. Me nah fear worry, me problem will solve. Hey, he coming like some brother brain not dissolve. Them have a simple problem, it's like they can't resolve. Hey, he coming like say them sick in a them head. Them a try the whole I made. Them head have a valve, but we change. We money and we clothes. Now bleach we face and we now bow we nose. Now go show off cause we dep on a couple shows. Dep on a couple posters stand up and we a pose. We change. We money and we clothes. Now bleach we face and we now bow we nose. Now top we standard, we now offer from God. They must say they're mad. Me say we tell them we change. God bless you, boy, the youth. Somebody want me to live, them say all men are dogs. But me can tell about a man. Alright, yeah, me know. No, somebody bang, bang. No, somebody let me tell you about a man who for pockets outer than any man you have where every day him a far out a grand. Live up at the pearly gates and him want a girl for the and if you ever give him a chance you not go want to terminate. Me say whether early late, him always sit up above. And if you ask your note and don't for him you not go turn in late. So I face and please, no put a doubt in him. Jesus Christ him so nice, they write a book about the game. Him a go show you love all when time you not blood inside of you. And him not go beat you up like you have drum inside of you. One touch make you jump like you have rum inside of you. So open up your heart and make him run inside of you. Let me tell you about some woman. Hey, them now move like them a human. Cause them can't satisfy with just one guy. Them a fear more than two in one. Somebody want need you. Stay by your side through the ups and all of the downs. Remember say nah go leave you. Him love every other girl out the street, but the Lord now go cheap and you fi grieve you. Even if you run him away, man go accept you with open arms and receive you. Him design your heart and your mind so him know how to hold on. Listen up and make me tell you about this friend of mine. If you ever give him a chance, he'll love you till the end of time. You don't have to ask, are you coming over tonight? No, you don't have to rehearse and I think your friend of rhyme. Cause him generous and me no know how and Nicole afraid. Come at you or if you don't see you know have to hold afraid. You fi see God and fi believe God. Whether you bleach or you never rub it, daddy no lie. If you love the Lord, me I beg you wave you one hand. And no other girl cannot come and take you man and them can't take away your Jesus. If you don't believe, ask when go canon. Hey, let me tell you about some woman. Hey, them now move like them a human. Cause them can't satisfy with just one guy. Them a fear more than two in one. Somebody want need you.